This is GreenDay Week at ebm-papst UK. For a company committed to producing environmentally friendly and energy efficient products, it's the perfect opportunity to engage staff and to prove that they really do practice what they preach.
And if you come round, this is full of tiger worms. You won't be able to see them because they're busy at work. They come to the surface only when they're hungry.
David Jarvis, Managing Director of ebm-papst UK, has led these green initiatives. David, tell me a little bit more then about GreenDay Week.
GreenDay Week is a global initiative of ebm-papst to show its staff and customers the environmental impact of what we do.
So then day one here in Chelmsford, you've been talking about recycling waste. Tell me a bit more.
We're trying to get 100% of all our waste to be recycled.
And here you've been using wildlife to reduce waste, haven't you? How have you been doing that?
The wormery is designed to remove the 10% of the waste that we normally would send to landfill, and we recycle this ourselves by putting all the used food and all products into the wormery, and also a bacteria bin as well, called a hot bin. This is part of our overall procedure in recycling. Everybody contributes towards the recycling in some small way. Every year we produce 50 tonnes of waste, and 10% of that, that's 5 tonnes every year, we recycle ourselves.
As well as worms, you've been trying to attract all sorts of other wildlife to the premises as well.
We've got a range of wildlife. We have weasels, lots and lots of rabbits, we have tawny owls, we have kestrels. When we first took over the site in 2000, we see that we consumed their land, and therefore it's very important to us that we give back at least as much as we took away when we concreted over and built the building. In that regard, we've put in bird feeders and bird boxes, and this helps to support the songbirds. Also, there is a food chain which has birds of prey. They're here too, and we try to interfere as little as possible in that food chain. In fact, we welcome it and we try and nurture it. What would be a real success for us is if we had some sort of family of songbirds in each of these bird boxes. And we're going to grow some of the special grasses and bushes that create the seeds and the berries that songbirds like. Not only are we trying to sell products which have got minimum impact on the environment, but as a business we're credible because we're taking care of that small portion of land that we also need to run our business here in Chelmsford.
So, day one, we've seen how ebm-papst UK is recycling waste and encouraging wildlife to its premises in Chelmsford. Day two, we'll talk about how ebm-papst UK have saved energy in their UK offices.